Hello, and welcome to another installment of Monroeville Public Library Summer Container Gardening Program for 2024. My name is Kevin Whitfield. I'm a Master Gardener with the Penn State Extension, and I'll be sharing a series of these discussions about growing vegetables in containers. In most cases, this information also applies to growing these vegetables in a garden. I'll be talking about a different vegetable each week. There's reference information at the beginning of the first recording. Please take a look at that for information on help from Master Gardeners and from the Monroeville Public Library. Today I'm going to discuss growing peppers in a container. It is now about the end of May. It's too late to begin your peppers from seed, but it's the ideal time to start planting them. Next year, when you want to start your peppers from seed, they should be started about 8 weeks before the last frost date. They need warmth to germinate, so you either need to place them in a warm, sunny window, or you'll need a heat pad and grow lights. You should resist the urge to plant your peppers outside earlier than mid to late May. The weather may be warm in April, but Mother Nature often has a frosty night hidden up her sleeve. You should plant no sooner than 2 weeks after our last freeze date, which is around April 30th. So mid to late May is a good time to plant your peppers. While it's too late to start your peppers from seed for this year, it's not too late to purchase plants that are ready to go. If you plan to save seeds from your peppers to plant again next year, remember to choose an heirloom variety of the plant. Hybrids offer many good characteristics and are a fine choice for plants you buy, but seeds saved from a hybrid will most likely not produce the same quality of fruit as the parent you originally grew. Heirlooms are plants from seed that has been grown through many years. Look for compact or container variety listed on the plant. Some good examples include Cajun Belle, Cute Stuff Red, Lady Belle, and Orange Blaze. Look for plants that are no bigger than 2 feet at maturity. Peppers require a larger container, such as a 5-gallon bucket. The larger the container, the better for the peppers. You can place 1 or 2 plants per container. Prepare your container with a soilless potting mix. Look for a mix that is labeled for larger pots. Don't use dirt or topsoil. They do not perform well in a container garden. For any gardening product, including seeds, be sure to always follow the directions that are printed on the packaging. Once you put the seedling into the container, consider adding a support trellis. Even these shorter varieties oftentimes end up needing support as they grow. The small tomato cage placed at planting time should work well. For ongoing care, remember to keep an eye on the moisture in your container, as containers tend to dry out more quickly than a traditional garden. When the dirt feels dry, you should apply water. At the same time, you don't want or need to overwater. Depending on the variety you are growing, the peppers reach maturity anywhere from 70 to 120 days. Again, check the information on the package for maturity information. You can harvest the peppers green after they reach full size, or allow them to fully mature into a red or orange color. Sweet peppers are sweeter when they fully mature. Hot peppers are usually hotter when they fully mature. At the end of the growing season, if you still have peppers ripening on your plants, you can protect them from a forecast of frost. Throw a sheet over the plant in the evening. Don't use plastic, since that does not protect it from the frost. I hope you have enjoyed this segment of Summer Container Gardening and are ready to grow.